Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to start the development for a full stack application which will be utilizing MongoDB, Node.js Express and Vue. Before we begin the development, there are some prerequisites. So for that, you have to make sure that you have Node.js installed on your system. I already have the link open on my system just to show you how it could be installed. You can select the configuration from over here and then you can complete the steps, and after that, just to make sure that the installation is completed, what we can simply do is open the terminal and just check the version of the node installed. We could also check the version of npm, and once we have the confirmation that the versions are successfully being shown on the system, then we can move ahead and simply go ahead with the installation of Visual Studio Code, because this is the editor that we are going to utilize for the development. Now, once you have the Visual Studio Code installed on your system, what you can do is simply open the location that you desire to create your application at, and then we are going to just create a new folder over here. So for creating the folder name, I've just mentioned the stack, and now over here, what I'm doing is simply creating another folder, Express stack. I am just now going to show you how you can simply open your particular folder or your project folder in Visual Studio Code through terminal. Type the command code space dot, and then this will open your project folder or your solution in Visual Studio Code. Now let's open the terminal, and I just want to create package.json file. For that, I will be giving the command npm init, and this is asking the package name express stack, version, description, let's say full stack application, entry point is index.js, test command, git repository keywords author, it you'll see, and I think we're good. Yes. So now our package.json file is created over here. After this, what I want to do is I just want to install Express. So I give the command npm I express, and it says that 65 packages are added. And over here we can see node_modules folder is also added in our project folder.